Hello everyone, welcome to ENA, Environmental News Analysis. In this session on ENA, we are going to discuss about a very interesting piece of news that has been coming up since last few days, and it is regarding Earth's magnetic field. So what is happening to Earth's magnetic field? It's saying that the Earth's magnetic field is weakening. So let's go ahead and see what is the news all about. As per the reports, the magnetic field around the Earth on an average has lost almost 10% of its strength by calculation. So what does it mean? It means that the total strength of the magnetic field has lost its 10% in last 2 centuries, precisely in 200 years. So a rapid shrink has been observed in the South Atlantic anomaly. So the location is South Atlantic region, a stretch between Africa and South America. So remember this particular location where this anomaly, the weakening, has been studied and observed. So it says that a large and rapid shrink has been observed in this region over the last 50 years specifically, just as the area itself has grown and moved westward. So what is happening? Plate tectonics is also playing a major role in this. So let's see further. Scientists from European Space Agency, that is ESA, and from the SWARM data, that is Innovation and Science Cluster DISC, are using the data from ESA's SWARM satellite constellation to study this anomaly. So basically, the agency responsible to study this is European Space Agency along with the Science Cluster. So they have come up with this interesting piece of information, and the SWARM satellites, if you see, can identify and measure the various magnetic signals. Basically, they are capable to identify the magnetic signals that combine to make up the Earth's magnetic field. So in last 5 years, as per the information, a second center of minimum intensity, it means a second center where magnetic field is being observed of a minimum intensity, has developed towards southwest part of the Africa. So remember, the Atlantic, the southern Atlantic part is where the most of this anomaly is being studied. So researchers believe that this could mean that anomaly can split into 2 separate cells. So there is a chance that this anomaly can separate into the African cell and as well as South American cell. So currently it's being observed and studied. The weakening of magnetic field. Now why is it important? It is important because it is also causing technical difficulties, especially for satellites and spacecraft orbiting the planet. So that is where it is of concern, because the satellite technology is now being affected by this, and also the space missions, the spacecrafts orbiting the planet are facing the anomaly's impact. So what is happening? One most speculated reason why this is happening is because there is a chance that it's time for Earth's pole reversal and it is coming near. So as we have already in ENA discussed about the movement of the pole, so what is happening? The time for change in the pole reversal is leading to this kind of anomaly which is being studied. So pole reversal is when the north and south magnetic poles flip. It means they move from their position, they shift in their positionality. While this flip will not occur immediately, so it means it's not a sudden phenomena, it will take a long time and will happen over centuries. But remember, there would be multiple north and south magnetic poles during this period. It means it will be shifting continuously at various times. There will be different north and south magnetic poles around the planet. Now let's understand that while this is not going to affect or alarm the general public at large, so then why is it important? As we have discussed, it is causing technical difficulties for now, especially for the satellites and spacecraft. So that's where our astronomy is concerned. There is the impact. Why? As the magnetic field getting weaker leads to charged particles from the cosmos penetrating through the altitudes that lower orbiting satellites are there in those particular orbits of the Earth. So they are being impacted, and that's the concern currently, that the lower orbital plane where the Earth and the Earth's satellites that we have sent, that is this artificial satellite, that is in picture. So that's where it is leading concern. So thank you for watching ENA in this session. We'll be coming up with more such sessions. So thank you. Stay safe. Stay tuned. Thanks a lot.